From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro dollar and the pound dollar. And you can see that the euro dollar somehow looks worse than it did the day before. And that's only because they tried to rally a bit, then turned around, forming a really negative candlestick, and therefore could suggest continuation. Now, having said that, I also believe that a turnaround and a rally is very possible. I think it could send this market looking towards the 109 level, maybe 110 even, but both of those should be selling opportunities. Longer term, 107 107.5 is my target, as it is the scene of a massive gap that has yet to be filled. Over here in the British pound, you can see that we initially pulled back, but have in fact shown some resiliency here and turned around to rally. Now, with that being the case, I like the idea of buying the dips. I think 130 makes sense, as it is a large round number. That, of course, will attract a certain amount of attention. The British pound has been a bit of an outlier when it comes to the US dollar because, quite frankly, the pound is undervalued from a longer term standpoint. So you have to keep that in mind. The value hunters, these are the bigger people who are going to come in and buy and hold. So with that in mind, I like the idea of buying these dips. I think that's basically how a lot of the larger funds have been trading this. And now that we have the UK government kind of all on the same page, I think they have the upper hand in the EU negotiation. So I like buying these dips until we make a fresh new low. Then at that point, I start looking at the 200-day EMA. This is going to be slow and it's going to be messy, but I think eventually we go to 132 and 135.